Imagine a drone that doesn't force you to decide the camera angle while you are flying. Instead of constantly adjusting the camera direction to keep a subject in frame, the drone records the entire environment around it at once. Every direction, every movement, and every possible angle becomes part of the footage. That idea is at the heart of DJI's newest Teased product, a drone that could introduce a completely different approach to aerial filmmaking. Recently, DJI released a short teaser that immediately caught the attention of the drone community. Interestingly, the teaser did not reveal the drone itself, and it barely included any direct information about the device. There was no clear product image and very little technical detail. However, the perspective shown in the footage hinted that something unusual was being developed. The way the camera view moved in the teaser suggested that the footage might not be coming from a traditional forward-facing drone camera. Instead, it looked like the view could shift freely, almost as if the entire scene had been captured in every direction. That small detail was enough to trigger a wave of speculation. Drone enthusiasts quickly began linking the teaser to earlier leaks that had already been circulating online. Those leaks had suggested that DJI was working on a drone capable of recording spherical 360-degree video. Soon after the first teaser created curiosity, DJI released another short promotional piece that confirmed several important details. This time the company officially revealed the product name, the DJI Avata 360. Alongside the name came a tagline that strongly hints at the concept behind the drone: above it all, see it all. Those words reinforce the idea that the DJI Avata 360 is designed to capture a complete view of the surrounding environment instead of limiting itself to a single camera angle. This concept represents a significant change in how aerial footage can be captured. With most drones currently available, pilots need to carefully think about framing while they fly. They must rotate the drone, tilt the camera, and adjust their flight path to ensure the subject remains visible in the shot. This constant balancing act between flying and framing can sometimes limit creativity. A drone designed for spherical recording could remove that limitation entirely. The DJI Avata 360 would allow pilots to concentrate mainly on the flight itself while the camera records everything happening around the drone. Later, during editing, creators could select the exact angle they want from the captured footage. This process, often referred to as reframing, allows editors to change the viewing direction, create smooth pans, or follow a subject even if the pilot did not originally point the camera at it. In other words, the final composition of the video can be decided after the flight rather than during it. The DJI Avata 360 could therefore transform a single flight into multiple different shots depending on how the footage is edited. For people familiar with handheld 360 cameras, this concept will feel very familiar. Those devices capture a full spherical image, allowing the editor to later choose the perspective that appears in the final video. Applying the same idea to an FPV-style drone could dramatically expand creative possibilities. FPV drones are known for their fast, dynamic flight patterns. Pilots often perform dramatic dives, rapid turns, and complex movements through tight spaces. Maintaining perfect camera framing during these maneuvers can be extremely challenging. A drone that records the entire scene removes that problem completely. The tagline "See it all" perfectly reflects that approach. It suggests that the DJI Avata 360 does not simply look forward like a traditional drone camera. Instead, it potentially records the entire environment in all directions. This capability could make it easier for filmmakers and content creators to capture dynamic aerial footage without worrying about missing the perfect angle during the flight. Interestingly, several leaks suggest that the DJI Avata 360 may not rely exclusively on spherical capture. According to various reports, the drone could feature a hybrid camera system capable of switching between full 360-degree recording and a standard forward-facing camera mode. If this turns out to be accurate, the DJI Avata 360 would essentially provide two shooting styles in a single device. In 360 mode, the drone would record the entire spherical environment, allowing editors to reframe the shot later. In traditional camera mode, the drone could behave more like a typical FPV drone, where the pilot sees exactly what the camera sees in real time. This dual-mode capability could make the DJI Avata 360 much more flexible than most standalone 360 cameras, which are often designed only for spherical capture. Another detail revealed in the teaser is the description of the drone as an 8K flagship 360 drone. This phrase suggests that the camera system could record spherical video at 8K resolution. High resolution is especially important when dealing with 360 footage because the image must cover an entire sphere around the camera. When editors later crop a smaller section of that sphere to create a traditional rectangular video frame, the available resolution decreases. Starting with an 8K source helps maintain strong image quality even after reframing. Of course, resolution alone does not determine how good the final footage will look. Several other factors influence overall video quality, including dynamic range, color processing, stabilization, and compression technology. DJI has consistently performed well in these areas with its previous drones. The company's stabilization systems are known for producing smooth aerial footage even during aggressive flight movements. If the DJI Avata 360 combines high-resolution capture with DJI's proven stabilization technology, it could deliver impressive results for both professional and enthusiast creators. Beyond the camera system, multiple additional features have been mentioned in recent leaks. One of the most notable is the possible inclusion of DJI's O4 transmission system. This technology is designed to improve signal strength and reduce latency between the drone and the pilot's controller. For FPV pilots, low latency is essential because it ensures the video feed reacts instantly to the pilot's movements. A stronger and more reliable transmission system could allow the DJI Avata 360 to operate effectively even in environments with interference or obstacles. Some reports have also suggested that the drone might support optional 4G connectivity. If implemented, this feature could provide a secondary communication link in situations where the standard radio signal becomes weak. While this functionality has not been officially confirmed, it would add an additional layer of reliability to the drone's communication system. Obstacle detection is another area where the DJI Avata 360 may introduce improvements. Rumors indicate that the drone could include a combination of vision sensors and LiDAR technology. LiDAR uses laser pulses to measure distances and create a detailed map of the surrounding environment. Integrating the system with the drone sensors could help the aircraft detect obstacles more accurately and navigate complex spaces with greater safety. Compatibility with DJI's existing ecosystem also appears likely. Early information suggests that the DJI Avata 360 could work with DJI Goggles N3, allowing pilots to experience an immersive first-person view while flying. The drone may also support the RC Motion 3 controller, which translates natural hand movements into flight commands. For users who prefer a more traditional control style, the RC2 controller is also expected to be supported. Together, these developments highlight how quickly imaging technology continues to evolve. Whether it is a drone capable of capturing a full spherical environment or a pocket camera equipped with multiple lenses, creators are gaining new tools that expand the possibilities of visual storytelling. With the DJI Avata 360 launch approaching soon, the coming weeks may reveal how DJI plans to reshape the future of aerial filming.